morning students. In this pattern chapter you see this. Next one, complete this pattern. See here pattern, which type of this pattern here. See in this box here, first one triangle is given, then afterwards two triangle is given, then three triangle is given, then here two empty boxes, then afterwards this three triangle here, four triangles, then afterwards this four triangle you draw here this five triangles. Then second one, see here in one box here three flowers, then here one add here, in second box here four flowers, again two add here in third box means five flowers, then you add here three means in next box you draw here these flowers six, then again you add here one, then in next box you draw here these flowers seven. Then next one, see here these circles here two, then here four, then here six means two add here. Then in next box you draw here these circles 8 and afterwards you draw here these circles 10. Then see here this circle, coloring of this circle, and in middle in this type of means cross is given. One circle is given in one first box. In second box in this type of these circles here three circles is given, then afterwards 5 means adding here two numbers, then 1 3 5, then in next box you draw here this type of this circle 7 and afterwards you draw here 9. Then see here in first box here 5 stars. How many stars here in first box? 5 stars. Then in next see this in next box here only 4 stars means one number is less here. Then in third here only 3 stars, here again one number less. Then you draw here only 2 stars means one number less, and last one you draw here 1 star, again one number less. Then next one, see here this pattern here, one matchsticks here. See this matchsticks pattern here, then here two matchsticks, then here three matchsticks, then you draw here in this type of this cross, then here four matchsticks, and next box in 5 matchsticks. Then see next figure, here one rectangle is given in this type of this in first box. Then in second box in this type of figure. Then in third box you draw here figure. Third box also given here in this type. In this type. Then again in fourth box you see here draw, here also draw, and here you complete. Then in next box you complete this all in this type. In these two empty boxes, in this type of this pattern you draw here. Then next one, page number open. Here also pattern is given, numbers, complete this pattern. In different shapes here, this numbers given here. First see in includes here numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 means table of this 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Then next number 10, 12 and 14. Then see here second one here bucket picture here, on bucket here numbers given 27, 28, 29 means adding of this one number, 27 plus 1 28, 28 plus 1 29, then afterwards you write here 30, then 31, 32 and then 33. Then next one, see here this picture of this birds, and here numbers given here 25, 30 means adding here 5 numbers in this number, adding here 5 numbers. In 25 you add here 5, then 30 number you add here 5, 35 again add 5, 40, 45, then 50 and last number you write here 55. Then next one, see this picture of this house and numbers given 1, 4, 7 means in this number here adding of this 3 number means in one number you add here 3, 1 plus 3, 4. In 4 number you add here 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Then next number 11, then 14, then 17, then 20. In this type of you write. Then next one, see here sacks. This and numbers given 15, 13, 11 means less here 2 numbers. 15 minus 2, 13. 13 minus 2, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Then last one, see this picture of this tomato and tomatoes here numbers given 10. Then here 1 empty, here 30, 40 means this table of this 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20 right here, 30, here 40, here 50 and here 60. In this type of this pattern of these numbers, this pattern chapter completed here, this 10th one. Then next one chapter 11th one numbers. We will study afterwards. Then tomorrow I will send this photo and in homework you complete this pattern. Okay, bye.